In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on TradingView. TradingView is an incredibly useful platform for traders and investors around the world, offering a wide array of tools and features to analyze markets and track your investments. Whether you're just getting started or you've been using TradingView for some time, understanding how to customize it to meet your needs can greatly enhance your experience. One of these customizations includes setting the language to one of your choice, making navigation and comprehension much easier. To begin this process, the first step is to head over to the TradingView website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser, typing in the TradingView URL and hitting enter. Once the website is fully loaded, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up, but today we're focusing on those who are already registered. Look to the top right corner and you'll find the login option. Click on it, enter your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your personalized TradingView dashboard. Once you're logged in and are staring at your dashboard, the next thing you need to do is locate your profile. Depending on the interface, this should also be in the top right corner. You'll see either a profile icon or your profile picture if you've uploaded one. Clicking on your profile will display a drop-down menu with several options designed to personalize your experience or manage your account settings. Among the various options available in this drop-down menu, look for the one labeled Language. This option may not be immediately obvious, especially given the relatively small font size used, so take a second to scan carefully. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with a list of available languages. TradingView supports a wide range of languages, catering to a global community, so you're very likely to find your preferred language listed here. Choose the language you're most comfortable with by clicking on it. This action will instantly change the language of your interface, applying it across all menus and settings. This will ensure that you can effortlessly navigate and comprehend each section of TradingView without any language barriers. Your preference is immediately updated, making it a seamless experience and allowing you to continue with your trading activities unhindered by any language-related difficulties. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can modify the language settings on TradingView, making your user experience more intuitive and enjoyable. Customizing your platform is just one of the many ways to enhance your productivity and efficiency while using TradingView. I hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides that help you navigate trading tools with confidence and ease.